In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the fiscal year-end date in Xero, all within just 5 minutes. This task might seem a bit daunting at first, but by following these straightforward steps, you'll find it's actually quite manageable. First, let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Open your preferred browser and head over to the Xero login page. If you're new or need a refresher, simply click on Log In. This step will take you to the page where you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your Xero account. Remember to enter your details carefully to avoid any login issues. Once you've inputted your credentials, click on the Login button again to gain access to your Xero dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's navigate to where you can change the fiscal year-end date. Look at the menu bar and click on Accounting. This is your gateway to accessing all your financial settings and reports. Once you're in the accounting section, find and click on Advanced. This section contains more in-depth settings that control how your financial information is managed and displayed. Within the Advanced menu, you'll see an option for financial settings. Click on it. This is where you'll make the necessary changes to your fiscal year settings. You should now see various financial configurations. Among these, look for the option that mentions the financial year end. Right next to it, there should be a Change button. Go ahead and click on Change. This will give you the option to select a new date for the end of the fiscal year. Once you've clicked on Change, a drop-down menu will appear. This is where you can set your new fiscal year end date. Carefully select the month and day that aligns with your company's accounting needs. It's important to confirm that the new date reflects your business's financial reporting requirements. After making your selection, remember to save the changes to ensure your fiscal year is updated properly. With these steps, you've successfully altered the fiscal year end date in Xero. It's always a good practice to double check all your settings to ensure everything is correctly configured. This small yet crucial adjustment helps keep your financial reporting and tax obligations in line with your business cycle. Thanks for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on managing your business finances efficiently with Xero. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, happy accounting.